As you all know, Toonami has recently put out some interesting news. They're rescheduling their vlog to 11:30 instead of midnight. They're also getting a brand new show straight from Japan being released in the US before Japan, called Space Dandy. What they're trying to accomplish with this is seeing if Americans today still have the same drive for some sort of weird cowboy series in space as they did 15 years ago. And with this, they're hoping to popularize anime in the West yet again. If they succeed in doing this, we could see a rise in manga sales, anime sales, and popularization in the West, which is good for us and the manga and anime industry over in Japan. If you really like anime and manga and you want to support the industry, I suggest going to watch Space Dandy because it's really going to be the turning point for this, whether anime lives or dies. The anime and manga industry has been declining a lot, and so has physical books. The sales for them have been going down, and Naruto only sells about 5,000 manga in the States a year, and that's way more than any other manga or anime combined. So that's pretty sad. If you are really interested in Space Dandy, you can only see it on Toonami when it premieres, and if you really want to support the industry, I suggest going over there and checking it out in January. Thanks, guys.